Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. So today I'm back with another interview question. So guys, today we have a very interesting questions. We have a Shark Tank table. So in the Shark Tank table, we have a few columns like sharks, pictures, valuation, equity. Like in the sharks, we have Piyush, Anupam, Ashni, Aman. Pictures we have like this, and we have valuation and the equity. So the question is, we have to find the smartest shark. Okay, so who's the smartest shark, guys? Uh, the smartest shark is the one whose every deal valuation must be greater than the average valuation of all the other shark deals. Okay. And the every deal equity must be greater than the average equity of all the other equities. Like we are not gonna calculate the overall valuation or overall equity of all the sharks. Okay. We gonna compare Piyush valuation with all the other sharks average. Okay. If for example, if we are comparing Piyush valuation with the average sharks with the average valuation, so the average valuation would include Anupam, Ashneer and Aman's valuation. Okay, so the Piyush valuation would not include. Okay, Piyush valuation would be excluding from that. Okay, so how do we gonna do that? Okay, let's do that. First of all, we're gonna find the average valuation and average equity. Let's do that. Okay, so let's go into this sharks and valuation and equity. All right, from Tang India. All right. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna give the S1. All right, and we're gonna do a calculation of average. Okay, select average valuation and valuation multiply by 1.2 because we are getting the actual value. Okay, so 0.1 will make a difference, so that's why we are making this float. All right, from Tag India S2, where S1 dot sharks not equal to S2 dot sharks. Okay, so what does this mean? So we are getting those values, those sharks who are not equal to this. For example, Piyush will not be included in this. Piyush not equals to Piyush. Okay, so the average would be Anupam, Ashneer, Aman's valuations. Okay, so it will include those valuations. Most sharks are not included with each other. Will not equal to each other. Okay, so Piyush not equals to S1 dot sharks will not equal to Piyush. So all the Piyush valuations would be excluded, and all the Anupam, Ashneers, and Aman's valuation would be calculated an average. Okay, so now we're gonna calculate equity. All right, equity. All right, perfect. Let's run this. So this is the others valuation, others average valuation. So let's rename this as others valuation average, others equity average. Okay, so we have renamed. So in these averages, Piyush valuation is not included. T and now we're gonna use the case statement here. Okay, so why we use case statement? We're gonna check whether the valuation is greater than this and the equity greater than this. If the valuation and equity are both are greater than this, then we'll have a value 1. Okay, else 0. All right, let's do that from CTE, and I need only shocks column, and case when valuation is greater than this valuation and equity is greater than others equity. Okay, then 1, else 0. Okay, and as is good deal. Okay, good deal. All right, let's run this. Piyush 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1. So let me do one thing. I'm gonna include the sum function here. Okay, and so with the help of sum, we will aggregate these values. Okay, group by sharks. All right. So we have Aman. Aman is the smartest shark because Aman has all the deals whose valuation is greater than the average valuation of others, and equity is greater than all the average equity of others. Okay, so we will take the first value. Okay, so how gonna we take that? Like 1 star from this. Okay, we'll use a subquery X. Okay, all right. Aman has all the 4 deals where he's having the required parameters whose makes him the smartest shark. All right, so guys, this is the uh, query in front of you. Simple query, quite tricky. So that's all we're gonna have. And if you have any questions, so please ask me in the comment, and if you have any feedback for me, please share with me. And all right, thank you so much guys for your time, and keep learning.